when you're very serious about business, folks, and you're not playing hobby and you're playing pro, you're not going, oh, I could do this, or I could do that or that. You're going, here's what I would be best at. Here's what I do better than anybody else I know. Listen, let me tell you, folks, I could get on the phone with every single one of you in this room, and if you will take action, I can't help lazy people, and I can't help people that aren't willing to take action. But I am looking at Diana, and I am looking at Eva, and I am looking at Deanna, and I am looking at Brenda, and I am looking at people. These are people that I have coached, and in short amount of time, they've made more money. In some cases, they've made a ton more money, and in some cases, they've made a few $1,000s more money. I am so confident I can get on the phone with every single one of you, and I could tell you 2 or 3 things, and you will make more money by the end of the week. I have no doubt about that. It is what I do. It is my superpower. I am magic at it. And the second thing I'm magic at, and I never promote this because it's not a great tangible item, is I will help you figure out why you are not living up to the potential that you should be living up to, and step into the next best version of yourself and start kicking ass and taking names. It's not tangible though. That's just a part of what I do. So what do I lead with? I can help you make more money, and I am damn sure I can do it. I chose that. There's 3 or 4 things I think I could do really well, but I have to have one lane. I have to live in that lane, because that's how you become profitable. You have to choose what you're going to do and then stop jumping lanes and do it.